Is it still on this side?
No. Might have swam off that way. Pretty catfish.
Oh yeah, it is a catfish. Oh my god, that's huge.
2 feet, 4.5.
I caught one that big one time.
Hmm?
I caught one that big that one time off of Blossom Heath. It was a pier over by 9 Mile. It was fun too. It gave me a fight. Asked Dad, it was huge. It was at least that big. Oh yeah, I just seen the profile. Oh, I just seen him pop up a little. See him right there?
Mm-hmm.
You ever see those videos of those people that get down into the water and they catch a catfish with their arm in the mouth? They literally shove their whole arm in that catfish's mouth.
Oh, those are the cranes.
Oh, is that a sandhill crane over there?
Mm-hmm. That's the baby ducks.
Oh, baby ducks. Oh, they're tiny.
Oh, crane's got something. It's got something big and orange.
I wish my camera was better.
Yeah, you think? Oh shit!
What?
It's got like a fish or something. See it?
Oh yeah. Let's get over there a little closer. Where's the baby ducks again? Oh, there they are. Ooh, look at the baby swans. The swan had babies.
One big flip. That's cat.
He's a big boy.
Like struggling to walk.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think there's 7 of them.
I wonder if there's any geese in there.
I want to go see the sandhill crane and the baby ducks. Oh, look at the baby ducks. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them following their mama. They're So cute. I think that's a heron, Brandon. I don't think it's a sandhill crane. Or maybe it is a crane. I think that's a heron. What? The oil? Oh, the red-winged blackbird. Oh, it's flopping around. That fish is flopping around over there. He's going after it. I'm gonna get the baby ducks and then I'm gonna go to see the baby swans. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of them. Catch up, little guy. Do you know what kind of duck that is?
I think it's just a mallard.
A mallard.
There's a family of geese over there too.
Over there?
A family of geese, yeah.
Oh, geese too. Oh, I seen the swans. Oh, there's geese too. I gotta go take a look. Thank you. Oh, Brandon, there's geese too. Look. There's baby geese and swans and ducks. Where are the baby herons? You have to pee real bad.
Pretty sure there's nothing.
I want to see some the geese and the swans. Oh my god, they're running. Oh my god, that's hilarious. They're so cute. Oh boy. Oh yeah, he's like, get out of here. Oh no, don't come after us.
It's bad.
Look at how cute they are.
Sorry.
Ah, no, don't get me. Oh shoot. Oh no, the swan's stuck. There's 6 geese, there's 8 ducks, and I think there's 7 swans. Aww. Hi, Mama. Those girls are running.
Wow. They're really begging now.
I want to get a little closer to the swans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I think there's 9. Yeah, there's 9. Okay, I'm going back. Sound like a dog. Oh, that one's got like a hurt leg. Aw, poor baby.
That was the one I was sitting on there before.
Okay, we're gonna get trapped and we're gonna get killed by the geese and the swans. That poor swan. Saw the heron fly away. It came over for a poo and took a poo. Where did it poo?
Poop there.
It was right in front of you?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get a picture?
I don't have my phone.
Oh,
You can see the food fresh in the middle of the ground.
man. I wanted to see him poo. That one swan has a hurt leg. That's why he was having a hard time. I thought it was just because he was fat.
No, he looks like he's probably why he's tagged.
Look how they run. It's so cute.
I saw something was cut up over here. I think it was a turtle. Here comes the parade.
The parade. There's 9 swans. There's 9 baby swans. Six geese and 8 ducks. The goose fell.
The baby one did.
They're so cute. Oh my god, look how they run. They're so cute. Their wings, the baby wings are so small. Okay, you ready to head back?